This is Vrushali from Vrushalivs classes. In our previous video, we have already started one chapter, that is number systems. In that video, I have already explained you the different number systems like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. If you have not yet watched that video, the link of the same is given in the description box. You can go through it. Today in this video, we are going to see what is the meaning of rational numbers. Means we are going to study in detail more about the rational numbers. How did we define rational numbers in our previous video? The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So such numbers are defined as rational numbers. Let us make the things more clear. Here I have written 4 rational numbers: 3 upon 5, 9 upon 4, 7 upon 3, 1 upon 9. Let us find the actual value of these rational numbers. 3 upon 5. What is the meaning of this? 3 divided by 5. 3 is not divisible by 5. We put 1 0. Decimal point. These are the rules which you have already learnt in your lower classes. 6 is 30. 0, 0. So 3 upon 5. The answer for this is 0.6. Let us work out for 9 upon 4. 9 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Put 1 decimal point. Add 1 0 here. 10. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. We'll put 1 0. 4 5s are 20. So the value of 9 upon 4 is 2.25. I'll come here. 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. Decimal point 0. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. Put 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. So this 3 3 3 will continue. It will not get over. So let us come to the next fraction. 1 upon 9. 1 divided by 9. It is 1 which is not divisible by 9. Let us put 1 0. Point. Add 1 0 here. 9 1s are 9. 1. Now again what we have to do? Add 1 0. 9 1s are 9. 1. Again add 1 0. 9 1s are 9. So again even this division will not get over. It will continue with this value. Even here 2.33 it will continue. So here in first two division 3 upon 5, the division ends after one decimal place. 0.6 is the final answer for this 3 upon 5. Such decimals are called as terminating decimal because they end after 1, 2 or 3 decimal places. So such decimals are called as terminating decimal. Even here when we divide 9 by 4, our answer is 2.25. Even here remainder is 0 and our division ends after 2 decimal places. So such decimal places are called as terminating decimals. Here the division will continue. We will not get the remainder 0. So, but there is one special thing to notice here, that 0.3333, the same number is repeated. 2.3333. So such repetition of decimal is called as recurring decimal. Such decimals are called as recurring decimal. They are non-terminating, means they will not end, but one number or one pattern repeats continuously. So such decimals are called as recurring decimal. Even for 1 upon 9, as we go on dividing, we get the value 0.1111. It will continue. Here, even here, it will not terminate. It will not end. It will continue with the same number. So even such decimals are called as recurring decimal. And how we write this? 2 point. Now the number which is repeated, we put one bar here above that number. So the meaning of this is 3 is repeated. This is how we represent the recurring decimal. Similarly here, we will represent this as 0.1 and bar only 1. So the meaning of this is 1 is repeated. So terminating decimal and non-terminating but recurring decimal comes under this rational numbers. So the fraction whose values are either terminating decimal or non-terminating and recurring decimals are defined as rational numbers. Now let us check in the reverse manner. 2.5, it is one terminating decimal. So there exists one rational number which represents this 2.5. Let us convert the decimal to fraction. 25 upon 10. We can even say even this is rational number. Let us reduce it to the lowest form. 5 5s are 5 2s are. So 5 upon 2 is the rational number for this terminating decimal. Let us take one example for recurring decimal. I'll take 0.6. So as we defined that terminating decimal, non-terminating and recurring decimal are rational numbers. That means for the 0.6 which is recurring, there exists one rational number whose value is this. Let us find that rational number. What is the meaning of this 0.6? It is something like this. What I will do here is let x is equal to 0.666 and so on. Just check how many digits are repeated here. Here we have only one digit which is repeated. So we will multiply this by 10. We will multiply 10 on both the sides. So 10x is 6.666 something like this. So it is recurring. So 6 will repeat. As many times you want, you can write that. So here I will write 10x is equal to 6.66. Below this I will write x is equal to 0.66. Let us subtract this. 10x minus x is 9x. 6.66 minus 0.6 is 6.00. What did we get here? The meaning of this is 9x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 9. Let us cancel this, reduce this. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So x is equal to 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is the rational number for which our recurring decimal is 0.6. So this is how we check the rational numbers. Terminating decimal and non-terminating but recurring decimals are defined as rational numbers. So by this time the picture of rational numbers is quite clear to all of you. The numbers which are expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. So the rational number, the value, it can be in whole number. For example, if we take 6 upon 2, answer is 3, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Then it can be a terminating decimal, 8 upon 10. The value is 0.8, or it can be non-terminating recurring decimal, 1 upon 3. You can check for this. The value is 0.3, 3 will go on repeating. So such numbers are defined as rational numbers. We will continue this chapter in our next video. So for that, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, so please don't forget to subscribe to get the regular updates of our upcoming videos. Thank you students. Thank you so much for watching this video.